Ilang oras na lamang at magaganap na ang total solar eclipse sa North America. Puspusan na po ang paghahanda ng syudad sa pagdagsa ng mahigit 1 milyong katao, habang ilan sa ating mga kababayan ang makikilahok sa isang bagong world record na gagawin sa magaganap na celestial event. Narito ang report ni Teresa Redula.
Marami na ang nagdadatingan sa Niagara Falls, isang araw bago ang total solar eclipse na magaganap Lunes ng hapon.
Puno na, oh. Look at that, all the way there.
Inaasahang mahigit 1 milyong katao ang dadagsa sa Niagara at hindi raw maikakaila ang excitement sa lugar ayon sa ilang kababayan.
Marami ng cars that's driving by the falls, and this early in the morning usually hindi pa, pero you could see them all coming in.
Layo ni Ana at Eileen na makilahok sa makasaysayang celestial event at sa isa ring world record attempt.
So that's what we're doing tomorrow down at the, I think the
horn blower.
Yeah, the horn blower, the boat,
Niagara Scenic Cruises right by our Rizal Monument.
Dude, yeah, exactly. We're gonna be there. We're gonna get all that. Like, there's so many people right now that it's there's a lot of like 500 people on the boat, but there's 300 of us wearing all the sun costume.
Gaano po karaming kababayan po sa tingin niyo yung makikilahok sa world record na ito?
Well,
marami tayo.
Yeah, marami. Kung ilan ang mapipili, we don't know.
Hahamuni ng City of Niagara Falls ang Guinness World Record sa pinakamalaking pagtitipon ng mga nakasuot ng sun costume. Nasungkit ito ng isang Chinese company noong 2020 na may 287 participants. At plano ng syudad na tapatan ito ng 300 katao sa Niagara City Cruise. Pero bukod dito, may sarili ring plano ang mga Filipino-Canadians ilang oras bago ang eclipse.
We've prepared a special, it's called Total Eclipse of the Heart. So it's a special Zumba dance. And then after that, a lot of us will be gathering sa park, and we'll all be watching from there. It's once in a lifetime. Yeah, we have to be part of it.
So we also have to give back to our community in this way. So yeah, and it's the eclipse. You don't see this very often, right? Like, it's exciting. Everybody is here coming to the city, and why not?
Direktang makikita ang total solar eclipse sa Niagara Falls. Magsisimula ito ng 3:18 p.m. at tinatayang tatagal ng 3.5 minuto.
This place will be rock. Oh,
More
yes.
people. 1 million people. So everybody can join. Like, it's okay. 1,001,000, 1,100,000, it's all right. We're good.
Mula alas 11 ng umaga sa Lunes, isasara na sa mga motorista ang kahabaan ng Falls Avenue, Clifton Hills at iba pang mga kalsada sa paligid ng Niagara Falls. May mga kalsada ring isasara sa Fort Erie. Aarangkada naman ang special GO train service na patungong Niagara sa Lunes. Gamit ang 2 karagdagang Lakeshore West trains. 2 ring dagdag na tren ang ilalaan ng Metrolinx pabalik sa Toronto Union Station.
The eclipse tomorrow. There's a lot of interest in it. The first thing is people need to remain safe and careful. You cannot look at the sun directly. In a good day, you cannot look at the sun directly in an eclipse. Get yourself good glasses if you can.
Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.